Hey guys, nice to see you again. Today I want to show you one of my favorite things to bake. Something super easy, super simple, and everybody should like it. I want to show you how to make a chocolate chip cookie. First of all, we're going to scale up all of our ingredients. Alright, we scaled up all of our ingredients, and now it's time for... First up, we're gonna cream our butter and our sugars together for about 2 minutes. We don't want to cream it for any longer, otherwise we make our cookie like a cake mix. And then your cookie will rise in the oven, and by the time when it's cooling down outside, it will fall down and go flat again. Perfect. Right, the next step is adding my eggs and my vanilla extract just until it's combined, and yes. Okay, now we add a good amount of flour, baking soda and sea salt to get a very thick texture. Always when I do something it goes on the... Perfect! Now we got this sort of thick cookie dough. The last step is going to be we add our chocolate. Perfect! This was so super easy, wasn't it? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the whole mix, I'm going to make 50-gram balls. I try to fit as many as possible on my tray and bake them straight away. Everything what I can't fit on my baking tray, just gonna wrap up, and I'm freezing them. When I freeze them, I can have a cookie every day. I can just bake it, and it lasts until, you know, at least like 2 or 3 months. Okay, we want to bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes on 180 degrees. Right, perfect. 10 minutes in, let's have a look. Delicious. Done. Right, I'm just about to put the last tray of cookies into the oven. The other ones came out really nice. Nice and gooey on the inside, just as we like it. If you bake this recipe at home, please share with me your baking result. And I'm looking forward to that. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.